Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your software development with GitHub Security, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin securing your software development on GitHub, start by enabling two-factor authentication for your account. This extra layer of security helps protect against unauthorized access. Next, review your GitHub repository permissions regularly. Ensure that only necessary team members have access to your repositories. Consider using GitHub's built-in security features, such as Dependabot, to notify you of vulnerable dependencies. Set up branch protection rules for your main branches to prevent unauthorized changes. This allows you to enforce requirements like code reviews and status checks before merging. Next, implement code scanning to identify security vulnerabilities in your code. GitHub offers automated code scanning tools that can help enhance your security posture. Utilize GitHub secret scanning to detect sensitive information like API keys in your repositories. If secrets are detected, GitHub will alert you so you can take immediate action. Regularly audit your repositories for unnecessary secrets, permissions, and integrations. This practice helps reduce potential attack surfaces. Integrate security best practices into your development workflows. Train your team on secure coding practices and the significance of security in software development. Utilize tools like GitHub Actions for continuous integration and delivery, while keeping security in mind. Ensure that your CI/CD pipelines include security checks to catch issues early. Monitor your account and repository activity for any suspicious behavior. GitHub provides insights and logs that can help you track changes and identify potential threats. Finally, keep your dependencies and tools up to date to mitigate known vulnerabilities. By consistently applying these security measures, you can significantly enhance the security of your software development on GitHub. Stay informed about the latest security features and updates from GitHub to continually adapt your strategies. By following these steps, you can ensure a more secure environment for your software projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.